Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Fatty's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots.
Hey guys, what's up? Another bad video right here with the boy Options. So today we're gonna do this restoration on this Adidas Superstar. Yeah, the condition right now is really bad. Don't know anything Option touched on schools. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Yeah guys, I already taped up the shoe already. I didn't really want it to show you guys because it was a long drawn out process. So this is a finished product of taping up this shoe. Tape has been removed. I noticed a little few white spot, those can be touched up easily. Those are little minor stuff. Quick review, guys. Remember how the shoe started off, guys? Now look at this restoration slash customs. What do you guys think? Like, subscribe, come on, show boy some love. It's a wonderful job, come on. Totally new shoe right here from boy Option Design. That shoe was nothing. Look at the finished product. New shoe right here. Come on, drop a subscribing, turn on the post notification for your boy Options. Remember how this shoe was. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, show your boy some love on this mad restoration slash custom. So I just want to thank you guys again. So like, subscribe, comment below. Comment how you think I did on this shoe below for sure. And see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.